Banana fritters. Easy to make banana fritters. Easy banana fritters. How can I make banana fritters? Welcome to Ama Cooks channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make banana fritters. Easy, simple, and delicious banana fritters. So if you are ready, let's go and start this right away. So in today's banana fritters ingredients, I'm going to use half cup of coconut flour. I have 1/8 teaspoon of ground ginger, half teaspoon of adobo seasoning, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of fennel seed. That's what we are going to use. And then also we are going to use a very ripe 3 bananas. This is very soft. You want your bananas to be this soft to make this recipe. So let's start right now. I am just going to take these, and as you can see, it is very, and I'm going to throw this in this pan here. All right, so we have our banana. We are adding a little this one to it. Now we are going to add our ginger, our pepper, garlic salt, fennel seed, adobo seasoning. Just going to mix all this together. And then we're going to add our coconut flour little by little so we test the texture. Add a little bit. And now that will hold this so it will fry nicely for us, and this should be okay. Here's the salt. Coconut flour have a lot of proteins in it, so it's good to substitute coconut flour for an actual flour, but you can use an actual flour as well if that's what you want. So we're just gonna start frying our banana fritters. All right, and it's ready. So I have oil already on the heat and it's warm, so we are going to start putting our banana fritters in here and start frying. Put it in there. So we are going to check on our banana fritters. It's coming along great. That looks amazing. Look at how brown it looks. We are going to flip this again on the other side. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is amazing. Look at that. Nicely. This is a recipe you find in any street of Ghana. It's a roadside food that you can buy. Just let this to cook more. It's brown nicely and we will be ready soon. Almost ready. We are turning this the last time. Look at that. That is lovely. Our banana fritter is ready. We are going to take it out of the oil. And that is love. So you can see we just finished our banana fritters. It looks so great, so yummy, amazing. And when we take this, you can open this up and see, look inside. Look how great it looks. Look at that. And this is so lovely. And I hope you can try this at home and see how it tastes like, because I am going to taste this right now. It tastes so good. All the spices, everything we put in, incorporate nicely. And the coconut flour give it such a texture, and it's so you wouldn't know this is a banana fritter. fritters. So I hope this video helps you to make your own banana fritters, and let me know in the comment section, how did you like this with the coconut flour instead of regular flour? How did you like using the coconut flour? Coconut flour contains a lot of protein, which is good, so that's why I substitute it for the regular flour. But let me know in the comment section how you like it. And also there's going to be another video for you showing you how to make peanut soup. This video has helped you to make your own banana fritters. Subscribe to this channel. If this is your first time on this channel, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.